It's kind of cool, like looking through the tunnel. There's like LED lights along the sides and you kind of speed up as you get inside the tunnel. Normally, transportation in a big city like Las Vegas involves getting a ride share, finding a bus, or taking the monorail. But downstairs from me right now is the future of transport. A fleet of Teslas driving through a boring tunnel that goes under the streets of Las Vegas. And I'm here to check it out. Elon Musk's Boring Company has opened its first fully operational loop, a 1.7-mile long tunnel 40 feet below the streets of Las Vegas. Built around the Las Vegas Convention Center, the loop is designed to transport passengers between 3 stops, using a fleet of 62 Teslas. And when it's up and running, it can move up to 4,400 people an hour. It's not autonomous. When you jump into your Model X or Model 3, there's still a human behind the wheel. And even when you get into the LED-lit tunnels, the cars don't go above 35 miles an hour. It's still early days for the Vegas Loop, but it does have its advantages. I must say, it's just so good to be inside with the AC on because it is like 100 degrees outside and I really do not feel like walking a mile around the actual convention center. I could get used to like a gull-wing Tesla just driving me around wherever I want to go. The Boring Company has been around for about 5 years now. It all began with a tweet from Elon Musk complaining about traffic. In the early days, it was pitched as a way of solving gridlock by building a massive network of underground tunnels spanning entire cities. Passengers could drive their car onto an elevator platform the size of a parking space and descend underground before zooming away. Boring even teased concept videos of transport pods designed to ferry up to 16 people at speeds of 150 miles an hour. We were promised rides from downtown LA to LAX in 8 minutes, all for just $1. But building a massive tunnel system has its challenges. The 12-foot wide tunnel has to be dug out, inch by inch, with a tunnel boring machine, essentially a massive drill. Elon Musk unveiled the first of these tunnels in late 2018 in California, but the Vegas Loop is the first one open to the public, though you'll still need to be attending a convention to ride it. The Boring Company's pitch is to have tunnels like these in cities across the United States, bringing emissions-free subterranean transport to the masses. And one day, the plan is to ditch the drivers and go autonomous. But what will the future look like? Will we get a network of fully driverless transport tubes offering high-speed rides without the traffic? Or is it just a pipe dream? Well, that remains to be seen. As far as Las Vegas goes, right now, the plan is to extend this loop all the way from downtown Las Vegas through the Strip and out to the stadium and airport, which would be a pretty big game changer for Las Vegas traffic. Imagine not having to deal with the snarl of taxis above, just coming down underground, getting in your Tesla and zooming away. Quite frankly, that's a future I could get on board with. For now, I have to go around this little loop, but I'm going to see if they'll give me another ride on the Rainbow Road.